I had a real quick update on my okra patch. If you notice, whenever I plant my okra and it starts to bear, when it starts coming in, you see it. It's on the different plants. I got a bunch of it in here. What I do is, I always go in and cut the leaves off underneath where the okra is bearing. I take off the lower leaves. As the plant bears, I cut the leaves off. And what I do, I just throw them down in there. Now look down in there, people. You don't see any grass. You see the leaves off the okra that I cut and dropped down in there. As you can tell, I'm delinquent on my weed eating. You can see that. I haven't got the weed eating. Look at this. Now here again, I've been preaching this for years. This is one of my newest, per se, raised beds. That one over there, the one over here, and over in the background over there. This is one of the newest. Now notice, see the grass? Now down in there, it's cardboard. You can't see it right now. It's done deteriorated and the weeds have grown up through it. Well, these weeds have roots, which is digging into the ground. That pine straw, I just throw it on there, and you can tell I just finished cutting the yard. You can see where the grass is thick in areas. That'll be raked up, and when I rake it up, it's gonna come right on over here and go right in here. I'll throw some pine, and eventually when I want this bed, before I need it, I'll cover it with cardboard, pile that pine straw on top and just soak it down. Well, in 4 or 5 weeks, a week or two, the grass is dead, the roots are dying. I got new holes in the ground for the earthworms, moisture, and vitamins and minerals, whatever, to go in there for the plants. Plus I weed eat this and throw it in there. That's how I do it, people. You don't see me out here every day pulling grass and working. Now, like I said, there needs to be weed eated around the edge. But you don't see any grass in there. And it's not any, I never have it. But my okra's doing great. Just keep cutting off these bottom leaves, and that okra will keep right on bearing. It's doing a great job, too.